the dog who fooled the mailman. Max was a happy brown dog, but every day he barked at the mailman. Woof, woof. One sunny day, Max had a funny idea. He wore dark sunglasses and a silly cap. Then he stood very, very still, like a statue next to the mailbox. The mailman came whistling and smiling, but when he bent down to drop the letters, Max shouted, B-O-H-H-H-H-H-H-H-H-H, screamed the mailman. He dropped the letters and ran down the street yelling. Max rolled on the grass laughing. And guess what? The next day, the mailman brought Max a dog treat.